Hey there guys and gals, this is Barbie Figueroa and thank you so much for watching my video. I'm so stoked that you're here because today we're going to talk about one of my favorite subjects, affiliate marketing. And so I'm going to give you some tips if you are an affiliate marketer or you've been curious about affiliate marketing and you kind of consider yourself a beginner in this area. I'm going to share some really awesome tips to get you off the ground with affiliate marketing. And check this out. Did you know that affiliate marketing is more than just ClickBank and JVZoo and Max Bounty and things like that? So if you're looking for that kind of video, this is not it. I am talking about affiliate marketing, promoting and selling products for others that you already love. Did you know that you can make some extra money doing that? Well, in this video, I'm going to share with you how you can make a small fortune online becoming an affiliate for products that you already love and believe in. So if you want to know what those first getting started off the ground tips are, then keep on watching. Guys and gals, well, thank you so much for watching my video. Again, this is Barbie Figueroa with RiseMarketingandDesign.com. Please take a moment just to like this video and subscribe to my channel. I would truly appreciate that. So let me just give you some backstory on how I was introduced into affiliate marketing. For many years, starting in 2004, I was doing design work in some way, shape, or form. I was doing design work on eBay. I was helping sellers, revamp their stores and help them with their marketing plans so I could transform basically struggling stores into successful stores. So I was doing that, but I was kind of trading time for money. If I wasn't working, I wasn't getting paid. So I started to ask myself, different questions like, how could I still make money even when I'm not at my computer? And I really didn't know how that was going to happen or what it looked like, but I kept on asking myself that. So then my brother actually sent me a link to a movie that I watched, and after that movie I started researching further and I discovered that there was an actual affiliate program attached to this movie. It was like a documentary kind of thing, and they were selling like an actual mindset course, and so I was like, ooh, this is really interesting. Like maybe if I sell enough of these products, I can actually make enough money so that I don't have to do design work all day, right? So that was basically like my first introduction to affiliate marketing. So basically, what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is where the owner of a product or a service pays you a percentage to promote their products, right? So you don't have to create products, you don't have to own the products, you don't have to do any of the heavy lifting. Literally, all you have to do is find a product that you love and that you already believe in and see if that owner has an affiliate program, and then all you have to do is sign up for their affiliate program, grab your affiliate link, and then start promoting those products. Now, what a lot of people do wrong is that they start looking for products, that they can make, just for the money, right? So a lot of us end up going to like ClickBank and we look for which is the product that is selling, the most, which one has the highest gravity on the gravity scale. If you're in ClickBank, they have this thing called the gravity scale, which tells you which products sell the most. And obviously you do want to do that, right? But what if you are not the traditional affiliate marketer? What if you are into health and fitness? What if you are a teacher? What if you are mom and dad? Is there any way that you can actually make money with affiliate marketing without having to do the internet marketing type of affiliate marketing? Because there is a difference, Those sites are usually more geared toward people that are already familiar with the internet marketing world. But I'm talking about a different type of affiliate marketing. Maybe you are some sort of a business coach, maybe you are in network marketing, and you want to learn how to add some additional streams of income inside your business, promoting products that you already love and believe in, okay? Well, that is absolutely possible. So let's take myself again for an example. So yes, I did that mindset program, but that kind of led me down a rabbit hole of internet marketing. And then I realized, okay, It totally took me away from what I knew how to do, which was, you know, design, funnels, branding, things like that. So first tip is you don't want to choose an affiliate marketing program that completely diverts your attention from what you're already good at, right? So for example, if you are already a designer, or if you're already into fitness, or if you're already a teacher, you know, you don't want to go to ClickBank and just, you know, try to promote any random product just because you can make the most money. You want to align with products that you already believe in. So in my case, I was doing design work and branding and lead converting websites. So I discovered that there were certain themes, like WordPress themes, that would actually pay me a 50% commission if I promoted their product. And so what I did was I would sign up for their affiliate program, and I would start creating content around those products, and then I would point people to my affiliate link, okay? But it had to do with my business. So it was an extension of what I was already doing. So it totally made sense with my type of business. So if you are a fitness professional, let's say, how would you do affiliate marketing? Well, I would definitely align with some sort of sports drink, or maybe some sort of fitness ebook, or maybe even become an Amazon affiliate and, you know, pick your favorite products. Maybe you already have a gym bench at home, or maybe you have some dumbbells at home that you really, really like, right? And they have an affiliate link that you can get on Amazon, and you can create content, maybe do reviews around those things that you already love and use and believe in, and just point to your affiliate links. That way, when people check out your content and when people see your reviews, you can conveniently put those links for people to click on right in your description box, okay? And so let's break away from the video really quickly so I can show you some of these tips in action. Let's explore some companies that are willing to pay you some money to promote their products. So let's take Vitamix, for example. And you just love sharing recipes with people. Did you know that Vitamix has an affiliate program? Okay. Now I own one of these amazing machines. Okay. And they're pretty pricey. They're like $400, right? But did you know that they have an affiliate program? Probably not. So let me give you a few tips. What you can do is sometimes if you go to the company's footer, you will see that there is a link to become an affiliate. So you can just go and click on the link to become an affiliate, and you can learn more about their affiliate program. You see? So some of your absolute favorite products have affiliate programs. So here's another tip I want to give you. So let's go ahead and go to Google, and you can do it this way. You can just grab any product that you already use right now that you love and believe in. It could be a journal, it could be some kitchen appliance, it could be a software that you love, it could be a WordPress theme, anything you want, okay? If you're a teacher, maybe you use a brand of a laptop you want to do a review on. Honestly, the potential is endless, okay? But let's just go ahead here, and let's say you have a Vitamix at home. So I would go ahead and put here Vitamix plus affiliate program, okay? And right here, boom, it'll take you to the become an affiliate for Vitamix. So let's just see the, what is that other one? The competitor, the Ninja Blender. Here we go. Blender affiliate program. Does it have one? And Ninja Kitchen affiliate program. Okay, so you can come over here and you can see that they have affiliate programs through a third-party website called Flex Offers. Okay, let's say you are a teacher. So school curriculum affiliate programs. Okay, so affiliate programs for homeschool and education bloggers, affiliate program for the Global Student Network. So just whatever it is that you want, okay, whatever it is that you love right now, okay, just go ahead and put the name of the product plus affiliate program and see what pops up. And you may even get ideas to promote other things. So this is a great way to do affiliate marketing
in the niche that you already have experience and authority in.
So another example in my particular business is I also do funnels, right? I build sales funnels. I love building sales funnels. And so I need sales funnel software to do that. As a matter of fact, I need a bunch of tools to do that. I need an autoresponder. I need a sales funnel builder. I need copywriting tools. I need little social proof, pop-up notifications that will help me increase conversions. So what I did was I looked for a tool that paid out commissions so that I could earn extra income aside from what I'm already doing. You can make a small fortune online through affiliate marketing if you see other people's products as an extension of your brand. You see what I'm saying? So anyway, I hope that helps you kind of like get some ideas. So maybe, like I said, maybe you're already a life coach. Maybe you want to partner with some sort of a journaling company. Maybe there's a company out there that they do beautiful journals and they have an affiliate program, and you can talk about those journals, do some video reviews about those journals, what have you. If you are a teacher, maybe you are affiliated with some sort of curriculum or some sort of computer software. You can create content like reviews to go ahead and share more about those products and services, and then a link to your affiliate link in your description box, whether it's on video marketing or through like a website or whatever, you know what I mean? So affiliate marketing doesn't just mean going to ClickBank or JVZoo or any of that stuff, and you totally can as long as it fits what you're already doing. But I highly encourage that if you are using a product that you already love, that already makes sense in your business, that you go to their website, and usually on the bottom of their footer, you will see if there is an affiliate program. Now for me, since I do funnels and I do digital marketing, I am aligned with a digital marketing platform, because sooner or later, if you want to sell products and services online, you're going to need the software and the systems that will help you do that. So that's why I'm aligned with a company called Builderall. And with Builderall, I am able to not only use their software to grow my business, but through their affiliate program, I'm also able to create an extra stream of significant income to my online business. So anyway, here's the deal. I actually created a 5-day affiliate marketing for beginners crash course that you can sign up for. I'll link it right below this video. I'll take you through 5 days of really good, solid content that will help you really get a better understanding of what affiliate marketing is. It doesn't matter what niche you're in. You could be in internet marketing, in network marketing, in affiliate marketing. You could be a teacher. You could be a musician. You can be an artist. And you can align yourself with products and services that have affiliate programs so that you can go out there and start creating content and earning extra income promoting products that you already love and believe in. So I'm taking you through 5 days of kind of this crash course to teach you how to do this. If you're interested in going through that free course, totally free, go ahead and click on the link right below this video and you can get your hands on that free information, okay? And if you happen to be building a business online and you need the tools and the systems and the digital marketing platform to do that, then you might also want to check out my link for Builderall, where you can partner with me and my team. I have a bunch of cool share funnels that you'll also have access to, and you'll also get to participate in my monthly coaching sessions that I do with my team to teach them how to build their businesses online. So hopefully that gives you a little bit of a better understanding of how you can start making money with affiliate marketing no matter what niche you're in, okay? And if it did give you a light bulb moment and if it did help, please go ahead and like this video and make sure to subscribe to my channel. And also make sure to visit my website at www.risemarketinganddesigns.com. And of course, go ahead and check out the description box below. I've got a bunch of links, including the link to the free affiliate marketing for beginners crash course that you can check out to help you get a better grasp of what affiliate marketing is and how you can start using it for your business to start creating extra streams of income online that make sense with what you're already doing. So anyway, this has been Barbie Figueroa. Thank you so much for watching. Again, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and as always, I will see you on the next video. Bye!